is my plan. And so these are my two little angles of reflection that are going to go into my box here. And here I show my insulation around the inside of my box, and that's where I'm going to put my food, right here. Okay. Now this is my shoebox, and I cut a hole in the top. And they're both going to be angled down so that the light goes into the hole and cooks the food.
Hi, I'm Justin.
I'm Justin. I'm going to be putting in the insulation on my box. Yeah. So, putting in this piece. So there we go, and I'm putting it only on the outside because that's where the air is going to escape. So yeah. Right now I'm going to be putting in my black paper. So here I go.
Now we have one lesson. Look at ours. It's like amazing. How are you going to get your food in there?
Okay, so now that will absorb heat and it'll help me cook the food so the food will get hotter. Right now I am looking at my solar oven after it has been cooking. And right now it looks pretty good. This is my stuff that I made. They're little like Reese's cut cakes. And so I'm going to explain to you what the different parts are.
Oh yeah.
So
eat it. Justin, you need to actually have the temperature with it closed. Should we close the top?
wait, I'm explaining right now. So this plastic right here is useful because it takes the heat that when the sunlight comes in, it takes it and it traps the heat inside. So that means that the heat stays inside and melts the stuff. And the insulation here, as you can see around, keeps the heat trapped inside and helps it from escaping. And the black bottom right here is helpful because it absorbs the light and it heats up from the bottom, which is helpful. And these little tinfoil things right here are helpful because when the sun comes up and hits them, it bounces off and bounces in and hits it. That's why this one right here, right there is the most melted because it bounced directly onto that. And I believe that mine did work because the chocolate did melt. So I believe that it worked great.
So it's really warm. Trust me, they don't get that warm.
So some of the advantages for using some for cooking is that it's a lot of power, and if you get it in the right place, it can help you a lot. But some of the disadvantages are that the sun isn't around all day, so you would have to only do it during the day. And
project is now.
And Bobby, be quiet. And and it's also limited. There's not a lot, so you can only absorb so much. And so it's kind of not the best use. Another use that I think you could use a solar oven for is for heating up, like if you wanted to make
right now I
if you wanted to make if you wanted to make you could probably make clay hard with this. I think because it gets pretty hot. So I think that you could definitely heat up some clay.